Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Subaru Impreza R Hatch, stock reference number 5357. The shape runs from the 4th month 2007 through to the 11th month 2011. It has an EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left rear door, which appears to have no damage. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player and the instrument cluster.